Welcome back to Channel 5 News at noon. It is 12:26, and boy, can you feel the hot and humid weather when you step outside. Let's take a look at your afternoon readings. We're at 90 in Rio Grande City to 92 in McAllen. And then you go to Weslaco and you notice a difference. 82 there. I'm talking about the mid to upper 80s in the lower valley and along the coast. And that's because there's been rain in the area and even a decent amount of cloud cover. But there's still that humidity to factor in to how it feels out there. So although temperatures are in the mid to lower 80s, check out what it feels like. It feels like the low to mid 90s out there, and it even feels like the triple digits in Rio Grande City. And it's going to continue to feel that way because we just have so much moisture in our air. It's going to really feel sticky. Now here's the rain. The First Warn 5 Doppler network started showing the showers first this morning along the coastline, and then they started to creep inland a little bit, and you notice that they started popping up down the I-69E corridor, Cameron and Willacy County. Now we're going to zoom into a lot of the activity on I-69C in Hidalgo County from San Manuel, Lynn, Redgate area all the way south into Fayetteville. Hargill just getting the edge of that little isolated shower there, but Monte Alto starting to get a little bit of light to moderate rain. Even Raymondville's getting a little bit of heavy rain at this time, but the thing about it is these showers are so isolated to scattered and quick moving that it's really not laying down a whole bunch of rain. And you can see that it really hasn't reached the southernmost portion of Hidalgo County just yet. We have had a few showers just outside Harlingen today, but this activity is going to remain pretty isolated for the day. I'll show you that in a few minutes. I want to give you an update on the tropics. We're looking at the coast of Africa, and we're looking at that coast just because over the next 5 days there could be a tropical wave that develops into something gradually as it makes its way west. It's something to kind of keep an eye on. Now when we go over to the Gulf, here we go, we're quiet. That's exactly how we like it. Meanwhile, in the eastern Pacific, there's still Hurricane Dora churning away as a Category 1 storm. Thing about it is this system is going to remain offshore away from Cabo San Lucas, but they're still going to get the rough surf and maybe even a few rain showers from that. But look at this particular system. It looks like it starts to downgrade back to a tropical storm rather, instead of a hurricane, and that'll happen later on tonight or tomorrow. Then it even weakens farther back into a tropical depression by possibly late Wednesday or early Thursday. So that system will keep moving out of the way. Back here at home, we're going to notice decreasing rain chances. The reason for that, the upper level disturbance kind of giving us all of these little showers is going to start to fade away by the end of the work week. In place of that, breezy, hot and humid conditions come right back to the valley. We're talking about mid to upper 90s and definitely warming up into the weekend. Some areas will be in the triple digits while most of the valley will be in the mid to upper 90s. So it's definitely going to be a warm one. But when I say isolated to scattered showers, here's what I'm talking about. Future Track shows that at the noon hour, we put the clock in motion going to 2. You'll notice that a few showers here and there pop up, and that's going to be the case. And some of that could spread into the upper valley, so Star and western Hidalgo County. We haven't forgotten about you, but just keep your umbrella handy. You have a little bit less chance for rain in the upper valley compared to the mid and lower valleys. So that's where a lot of the rain has been. But then a lot of that activity fades away for the evening. So it looks like temperature-wise, we'll continue to warm up to the mid 90s for the upper valley, and they're talking about maybe the lower 90s for the rest of the RGV. Closer to the coast, we'll stay in the mid 80s. By 4 o'clock, we could still be dealing with maybe a few showers or thunderstorms here and there, but again, they're going to be pop-up showers and thunderstorms. And then overnight, that's when things start to cool down. It's going to take its time to do that. Eventually, we will hit an overnight low of about 76 degrees with partly cloudy skies. There could be a brief shower, but for the most part, it doesn't look to be all that wet overnight. Taking a look at tomorrow, 94 degrees, 95 breezy and breezy with a shower or two is what I'm trying to say here for the end of the work week, but we're bringing your rain chances down to about 20%. As we head into the weekend, it's still going to be breezy, hot and humid near 97, going up to 99 to start next week. Your overnight lows will be in the mid to upper 70s and even the low 80s for the next 7 nights. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Stay with us. Channel 5 News at noon. We'll be right back.